Hi, I am Abdullah Evrenad. I am 19 years old and I'm studying at University of Economics at the School of Economics faculty. I am so excited about to share my influence and my experiences from the past and previous years. I was being volunteer at my 16 and 17 for Formula 1 and Champions League matches in Baku. And after that, in my 18, I was being offered by some companies like Sibris, like Pull&Bear, like Zara, and etc. But my favorite one was being a cashier in Pull&Bear because I was taught from many environment, many people, and it is one of the best thing ever happened to me because I learned how to manage my control, how to manage my stress, how to change my goals, and how to being a team worker. So I can pass through my hobbies. My hobbies are playing football, playing basketball, playing chess. I love reading books, especially criminal romance, and listening to the music, especially pop music. And traveling is one of my hobbies too. I love traveling, so that's why I come to USA. So USA is my childhood dream. I can see Liberty Statue. I can see New York. It is my childhood memory from the past. And thanks for watching my video. You can pass through email and contact with me. Thank you very much.